What's going on, YouTube? Today I have kind of like a 151 extravaganza. It's not like every other YouTubers where they're opening like 500 or like multiple like packs, but it's a lot for me. I'm actually coming back to the Pokemon collection, or not Pokemon collection, but I'm starting to collect Pokemon cards again. So I thought I'd start off with 151 again. OG is OG. So I have 5 booster bundles here. I have the binder collection. I actually got one of these just to get. This is the 2023 Pokeball. And then I do have an Elite Trainer box too. Actually, I opened one already. So this is one of them I opened. And honestly, didn't really get anything from that one. The best card that I got was this Mew EX, which is pretty cool. I'm a big fan of Mew. I did get something cool in the mail today. I did get my, finally got the illustration Charizard. That's really rare. It's in pretty good condition. Am I going to get it graded? Probably not, but, it is cool to have, so there's that. But yeah, folks, so today we're going to be opening, all these packages, in total, I believe. So if it's 6, 12, we got almost close to like 40 packs in total. So we're going to be opening. I'm not sure if I'm going to open this in this video, this ETB. I might hold it, but these are definitely going to be open. So what I'm going to do, folks, is I'm going to open these, and yeah, we're going to get right to it. Alrighty, folks, so I unboxed all of them. So these are all the packs that I'm going to be opening today. I just want to show something really quick, too. This is the binder. It's pretty nice. It feels a little bit cheap, like on the outer, but on the inside, it's pretty nice. It's like you slide in instead of like putting it on top, so that's cool. But before we open everything else, I do want to open this little Pokeball. Maybe we can get something good. This was actually my first ever like little Pokeball like this, so I'm kind of excited to see what is in here. Maybe it's like cool packs. Like I said, I never opened one of these. It says the Pokemon TCG Pokeball contains 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs and 2 stickers. So let's open it. If I can open it, folks. I hope everyone here is having a great day. I am. I just got back from picking these up. I got 5 booster bundles from GameStop. I got the binder collection from GameStop, and then my Elite Trainer boxes I got from my local card shop. So it's pretty cool. I don't know. I think I'm just going to wait until the Ultra Premium box collection comes out next month before I buy anything else after this. I feel like I went a little bit overboard. In total, I think I have a little bit over 40 packs, 2 Elite Trainer bundles, 1 binder collection. I did not get a poster collection, but I might go snag one. We'll see. And then you foreseeable future, but those are probably going to be regular, so doesn't matter. But let's open this up. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so okay, we got Lost Origin, so we got Koraidon, and then Hisuian, I forgot his name, and then Fusion Strike, and then Silver Tempest. I'm gonna save Silver Tempest for last because that one is probably my favorite out of these, and we'll go Lost Origins first. Maybe we'll pull something cool out of this one. I honestly didn't really collect any of these sets because this is before I was back into the card game, but Silver Tempest is my favorite because of that Lugia V alternate card. That one's super cool. So first pack we're opening today, we have Moonful, Littleeo, Ghastly, Ducklet, Suinaura, Lumineon, Clefable, and nothing. So that pack was a doo-doo. Next is Fusion Strike. I don't expect to get anything good out of these. Honestly, I just got them because the Pokeball looked cool. But yeah. If we get something good out of this, I'll be surprised. Antine, Crubbin, Rotom, Smurgle, that looks sick. Carvana, Rotom, Cursula. Is that the rare? Yep, that's a rare. And Yeah, nothing crazy. Alright, last pack, Silver Tempest. That'll be cool if we get something cool out of this one. Alright, Durant, Fennekin, Rufflet, Linen, Fampy. Ooh, we did get something good. And we got an alternate Flaffy, sorry. I'll take that. And then Melodic, Quadstone. Yeah, so I mean, honestly, I'll take it. That was not a bad pull, honestly. Alternate art Flaffy. Really like that one. Forgot, what am I missing? Oh yeah. This one here to take out. Sorry folks. Oops. We have all these out today. Because honestly, I'm expecting at least something good out of all these packs. If not, I'll be so sad. Yeah, this thing was cool. So we're gonna keep that over there. And the first pull of the day is an alternate. Is a full art card. Flaffy. Super cool. So put that over there. Alright folks, this is where it starts. Sorry folks, okay. So 151, this is the artwork again. It's Mew, probably my favorite legendary, maybe my favorite mythical. If you want to go that far. But yeah folks, I'm super excited to be opening these packs. I'm gonna enjoy every one of them, even if I don't pull anything crazy this whole time. I just want to have fun with this. So the first thing we have is Tangela, Coughing, Psyduck, Ekans, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Primeape, Energy Sticker, and Moltres. So nothing crazy out of that pack. So not a great first pack so far. But, like I said, we're just kind of having fun with this. Because it's 151 launch day. And I'm just trying to have a good time. Poliwhirl, Kakuna, Poliwag, Bonita, Nidoqueen, Victory Bell, Lagoon, Vaporeon. Oh, let's go! A War Turtle. Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. We got a War Turtle and a Venusaur EX. So great second pack. Great second pack. Alright. That was awesome. I'll take that. I'll take that. This Venusaur EX looks sick. I told myself I was going to get at least like one of the Venusaur or one of the evolutions. So, honestly, I'm liking that. Liking that quite a bit. Oops. Sorry, folks. Alright, on to the next one. These are all from booster bundles, and 3 of them, or 4 of them are from the binder collection. So, all the booster bundles sold out. I guess there were only pre-orders. Obviously, there's probably going to be more. But, yeah, most of these you can only get through pre-orders. And so we're starting with Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Omanite, Tauros, Kadabra's back. That's cool. Pinsir. Oh, my God, I got it. Oh, my gosh, I got it. Oh my gosh, guys, you don't know how hype I am to pull this hyper rare. This is my favorite card from this set, and I got it. Oh my gosh. Thankfully. Oh my gosh, this just made my day. This is my favorite card from the set, and I just pulled it, dude. Awesome. Third pack. I got what I wanted. I'm so hyped right now. And then we also got Aerodactyl and a basic energy. So, keep the basic energies on the over here, and then these I usually just sort these later. But dude, I'm so hyped right now. I literally just got the hyper rare Mew, so that's awesome. All right, so I'm ecstatic that literally got the card that I really wanted. I do want that art Charizard. I think everyone wants that one, but yeah, so far I really got what I wanted so far. So right now we got Squirtle, Licky Tongue, Venonat, Pidgey, Eradicate, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Haunter Hollow, Helix Fossil, and a Machamp. So nothing crazy out of that pack. Alright, next. Oh man, I'm so happy I pulled that Mew. Holy crap, that literally made my day. Alright, Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, Hypno, Poliwhirl, or Poliwrath, Pidgeot, Ponyta, Weedle, and a Vileplume. Cool. Alright, next pack. Hold on 1 second, folks. Alright, moving on. How do you guys feel about this set? I'm pretty sure everyone's pretty ecstatic about this. I know when it got announced, when I first started collecting again, I bought a booster box of City Flames, as you can see over here. I didn't really get anything crazy from that set, but it was definitely fun to open. So this 151 definitely got me back to collecting cards. Oops, Persian, Muck, Tentacruel, Machoke, and a Marowak. So nothing good on that one. Oops, sorry folks. Alright, oh nice, we got a little Pikachu to start off with. Farfetch'd, Old Amper, Pidgeotto, Slowbro, Machoke, Dugong, Dodrio, Drowsy, and Electro. Okay, so now we're kind of slowing down after the first 3 packs. That was cool getting 2 really good cards out of 1 pack, and then the next pack is like the card that is probably my favorite out of this set. So that was really cool. But we still have a lot of cards to open, so Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Old Amber, Pidgeotto, Primate, Pharaoh, Onix, Magikarp, Ekans, and a Gyarados. So we're getting trash right now. It's not really trash, but just nothing to yell home about. I've seen some people's openings, and I've seen them getting like Arbok EXs and stuff, so can't really complain about what we got already. Take this, and then we got Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee, War Turtle, that one's super cool. Sandshrew, Seadra, and Dodrio. Oh my gosh, dude, we're literally not getting anything right now. That was what, 3 packs in a row, maybe 4. And I still have that ETB to open too. If I don't really am not satisfied, I can just open that one up. But I don't know, I feel like at least 30 something packs might be enough for this video, and depending how long it is. Paras, Voltorb, Krabby, Sandshrew, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Golbat, ooh, Pikachu, First Holo, Ghastly, and a Gyarados. Okay. Pikachu was cool. Opening another. So we're almost done with this stack right here that we're opening from. Alright, we got Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Side Duck, Gold Duck, Pinsir, Bill's Transfer, Butterfree. Ooh, Venusaur EX full art. Oh my gosh. And Marowak. Oh my gosh, that was a great pack. And then we got a... Oh my gosh, that's a great pack. I'm pretty sure this is one of the more expensive cards from the set. Dude, that looks awesome. So that was a good pack right there. We pull a Venusaur EX alternate art, I believe. I believe that's the alternate art. If I'm not mistaken. Sorry, folks. These cards are getting too much now. Okay. All right. Next pack. So just to recap what we have so far, folks, we got some decent pulls. Venusaur EX full art, Mew EX hyper rare, Venusaur EX, and a War Turtle full art. It's a good pull so far. That honestly might be our luck for this video, but it's okay. We have Sparrow, Bellsprout, Magikarp, Oddish, Dugtrio, Haunter, Hitmonlee, Nidorina. Oh, Caterpie! Oh my gosh, another back full art. That one's sick. That is sick. Wow. Nice. Okay, back-to-back full arts. I'll take it. Alright, one more pack for this pile. Okay, this one's taking a little. There we go. Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Golbat, Leftovers, Persian, Goldeen, Lickitung, and Vileplume. Next up, last of this pile. We have Mankey, Meowth, Execute, Clefairy, War Turtle. That one's super nice. Hypno, Poliwrath, Parasect, Tentacruel. Ooh, Dragonite. Nice. I'm a big Dragonite person, so I gotta keep that one. It's honestly one of the other cards I was looking for is Dragonite, so I'll take that. Alright, we have Cubone, Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Victory Bell, Big Air Balloon, Primeape, Dragonair, Energy Sticker, and Flareon. Okay. Moving on to the second row. Alright, we have Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Daisy's Help, Venomoth, Rapidash, sorry folks, Electrode, and Vaporeon, and Dugtrio, and then we got a basic Fire Energy. So we got three rares. I guess it's 3 rares anyway, but Tangela, Coughing, Psyduck, Ekans, Erica's Interaction, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Rhyhorn, Helix Fossil, Gyarados, and a basic energy. Alright, we're kind of slowing down in terms of pulls, which is okay. Come on, dude. Alright, we have Velosprout, Horsey, Nidoran, Abra, Leftovers, Persian, Muck, Geodude, Weedle. Oh, Zapdos EX! Let's go! Zapdos EX is a good pull. It's not the alternate card, but it's still the Zapdos nevertheless. So that was cool. Nice. Good pack. Alright, next one. That was a good pack. Alright, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, Japan, Graveler, Goggles, Growlithe, Charmander full art, and another Zapdos. What? That's awesome. Dude, Charmander full art. Let's go. So we got a Zapdos back to back plus a Charmander full art. If that was a God pack, I would have screamed. I definitely would have screamed. The fact that we got a Charmander full art though, I'll take it. That's sick. Alright, that was an awesome pack. We've been getting a lot of decent packs like that though, where it's like two really, like a full art and then like this. Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Bellsprout, Snorlax, Sandslash, Haunter, Venomoth, Dratini, and Machoke. I knew that pack was going to be garbage. I can feel it. Alright. Kind of going through packs right now, so kind of getting there, folks, but I am super happy with what we pulled so far. I cannot complain whatsoever. At least we're not getting like R-Box or something. I would have been tight if we did that. Mankey, Oddish, Meowth, Execute, Poliwhirl, Pidgeot, Omanite, Omastar, Rapidash, and Ninetales EX. Okay, okay. Alright, Ninetales EX. That's a nice card. Ninetales EX. I like it. Alright, now moving on to the last one on this pile. You have Rattata, Squirtle, Lickitung, Venonat, Snorlax, Sandslash, Nidorino, Dragonair, Choke, and Mr. Mime. Alright, moving on. So let's see how many packs we have left, folks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more packs left. And then I might open that ETB later in this video. Alright. Pikachu again. Farfetch'd. Old Amber. Pidgeotto. Parasect. Oh, I always do this. Grabber, Kingler, Haunter, Poliwrath, and Flareon. And then we got the Fighting Energy. Pack 11. Horsey, Nidoran, Abra, Diglett, Ivysaur, Slowbro, Machoke, Protective Goggles, Doduo, and Wigglytuff EX. Nice. And a Water Energy. It's quite a nice card. I'll take it. Just another one. Wigglytuff. Alright. pack number 10. Vulpix, Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, Pharaoh, Growlithe, and Kangaskhan EX. Nice, back-to-back EXs. Alright, pack number 9. We're going these quick, so it's kind of sad, but again, like I said, I'm enjoying it. We've been getting really good pulls, so I'm kind of grateful. Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Bellsprout, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Victory Bell, Oddish, Kadabra, Ditto. Nothing crazy on that one. Now we're on pack number 8. We got Grimer, Weedle, Zubat, Goldeen, Parasect, Giovanni's Charisma, Clayster, Snorlax, Tangria, and an Omastar. So nothing great on that pack either. We're kind of winding down a little bit, I could tell. Probably not going to get any more hits maybe out of this these last couple packs, because I feel like, I don't know, I've seen the pull rates for some people and they're pretty atrocious. So I don't know if we're going to get anything better than this. I got what I wanted pretty much, other than obviously the alternate Charizard. I did get the Venusaur version though, so that was cool. Yeah. Big. Weeping Bell, Metapod, and a Chansey. Yep, we're definitely winding down. Yeah, I'm probably more than likely gonna open that ETB just for the hell of it. Alright, Execute, Clefairy, Machamp, Porygon, Nidoqueen, Victory Bell, Big Air Balloon, Machamp, Gengar, and another Kangaskhan EX. Okay. I'll take double duplicates, it's fine. Ain't no biggie. At least it's Kangaskhan EX and not like another card. Hang on, folks. I gotta open one of these trainer box, or my trainer box, real quick to grab more sleeves, because I needed them. Alright, sorry about that. I'm just gonna open these. Oh, by the way, these are what the sleeves look like. They're really nice. Got all the 151s. So I'm gonna open that. Alright, next pack. Come on, let's get something great out of these. Charmander is always a good sign. Sparrow, Rhyhorn, Magikarp, Lapras, Cycling Road, Scyther, Caterpie, Shelter, and a Marowak. Because he's whack. Just kidding, he's a cool Pokemon. I like Cubone a little bit more though, because he's cute. Alright, we're down to 3 packs after this last one right here, so pretty much at the end. So you have Electabuzz, Rhyhorn, Tangela, Coughing, Primeape, Pharaoh, Onix, Poliwhirl, Nidoking, and Vaporeon. The Nidoking's pretty cool. Alright. 2 more packs left, folks. Let's hang it with a bang. Please give me a God pack. Give me a God pack. Give me a God pack. Oddish. Mankey. Meow. Execute. Charmeleon. Oh, shit. Parasect. Giovanni's Charisma. Pikachu again. Doduo. And Jolteon. Alright, I guess we're not going to end this video off with a banger. Watch this be like 2. Like, just keep hollows. Watch. Or this one might be good. Who knows? Alright. We got Psyduck. Ekans. Cubone. Vulpix. Dragonair. Seadra. Kabuto. Haunter. Machoke. And I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Alright, folks. The last pack. Please be God tier. Please be God tier. Come on. I believe in you, pack. Oh, God. Come on, please. Come on, come on. Clefairy, Machamp, Porygon, Electabuzz, Cloyster, Grabber, Kingler, Poliwrath. Let's go, Charmander, and a Gengar. I don't know if that's rare or not. I'm gonna keep that, but we ended it off with a Charmander full art, which is fine. Honestly, that's better than not getting anything. So we ended off on a good note, to be honest. I'm gonna probably open that ETB, and gonna be right back. So, and then the ETB, I'm probably gonna just go over the go over what we got today. And we got a decent amount of pulls, folks. So, like I said, I'm not complaining. It's been a good day so far. So, like I said, can't complain. Okay, what the heck? All right, folks, I'll be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. So I opened them. So we have a total of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is gonna be our last opening for the video. Like I said, it's off of this. I'll recap what we get at the end. And yeah, it's been a good opening. I've been having fun. I really do like the set so far. I might see if I can get more. I'm probably done with these. I haven't got a poster collection yet, so I might have to go snag one of those real quick. But I'll probably do that off camera, not on this. But yeah, so far I've been really happy. Hopefully this ETB is good. If not, I'll be a little upset. But here we go. So we have a Helix Fossil, Slowpoke, Magmar, Horsey, Seeking, Butterfree, Lapras, Slowpoke, Clefairy, haven't got that one yet, Flareon, and regular Lightning Energy. Alright, pack number 8. Sometimes I can feel like if a pack feels good or not. Some, like, the packs that I did open that were like, you know, that felt good were actually good pulls. So I don't know, some of these have some weight to it or what, but you definitely could feel the difference. And then you have Ghastly, Paris, Voltorb, Krabby, Clefable, Tentacruel, Hitmonlee, Pidgeot. Ooh, a gold card. I haven't pulled one of these yet. That's cool. So we got a Beedrill. Honestly, that's pretty cool. So we got 2 hyper rares in this video. So that's honestly, I really, these things right here are kind of, they feel cheap, to be honest with you folks. And they're like a clear, like, it's like a very, very snug fit. I'm just trying to be gentle with this card because, like I said, this is a hyper rare. I'm already fucking it up. So give me 1 second just to fix this. So here it is. Switch. So that was cool. Alright. Second pack. Finished. On to the 7th. Farfetched, Old Amber, Pidgeotto, Magmar, Nidorino, Eradicate, Erica's Invitation, Cloyster, Mankey, and a Mewtwo. I haven't got that one yet, so that's cool. Keep that one because it's one of my favorites in the set. Pack number 6. Meow, Execute, Clefairy, Machamp, Pidgeot, Omanite, Tauros, Slowpoke, Golbat, Ditto, and then Lightning Energy. I haven't got this one yet, so take it. So far we got in one good pull out of this so far, and if you want to call it good pull, it's a hyper rare, so I guess Sheldor, Bullet, Bellsprout, Horsey, Nidoran, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Victory Bell, Pidgeot, Drowsy, and Articuno. 4 packs left. Bulbasaur, Slowpoke, Growlithe, Geodude, Victory Bell, Butterfree, Lapras, Eradicate, Magneton, and a Venusaur EX. Nice. So I got 2 of those in this opening. Alright, 3 more packs. I'm not sure if we're going to get anything else after those 2. Seems like ETBs is either like a EX or something, like a hyper rare. So we might be pretty much done after that, unfortunately, but who knows? Everything is random, so. Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Grimer, Tauros, Kadabra, Ivysaur, Geodude, Meowth. Ooh, and Daisy's Health. Okay. We got a trainer. I haven't got one of those yet, so take it. Daisy's Health. Just trying to put this in again, folks. I'm having trouble with these card sleeves. Quite annoying. Okay, 2 more packs. Like I said, that might have been the last pull for this. And if it is, that's okay. You never know. Like I said, it's randomized, but I think we've gotten a decent amount of pulls. Okay, we got Weedle, Zubat, Goldie, Nidoran, Slowbro, Machoke, Dugong, Electrode, Krabby, and Vaporeon. Alright, and then we have the last pack in this whole entire video. Again, thank you so much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure opening these up. And, yeah, just great time opening these up. Alright, we have Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, Rhyhorn, Rhydon, and a Marowak. And then we ended it off with a Fire Energy. Alright, folks, well, I gotta say I thoroughly am happy. We got a couple duplicates, but it's not like it's bad duplicates. So we're gonna start off with the pulls. So we have Daisy's Help, Venusaur EX, Hyper Rare Switch, Mew EX. This is from my first ETB, so I still count it in here. Flaffy from the earlier Pokeball. Charmander Full Art. Kangaskhan EX. Make that times 2. Wigglytuff EX. Ninetales EX. Full Art Charmanders again. Zapdos EX. Zapdos EX again. Caterpie Full Art. Venusaur EX Full Art. My favorite card that I pulled, the Hyper Rare Mew. Venusaur EX. And to end it off, we have a War Turtle. So I gotta say, all in all, I am pretty happy about what I pulled today. I got the Mew card that I really wanted. So for when I think about it, I really do want that alternate Charizard or any of the Charizards. Any of the Blastoise, any of the Venusaurs. And I'm trying to think what else from the set. Maybe the other Mew EX Full Art. And then, yeah, I just gotta look over it again. But from over here, we got Red, Lightning, Code, Blue, Dark, Fighting, Fire. And then we got my Dragonite that I'm gonna keep. Water, Psychic, Water, Fighting, and Grass. So yeah, folks. And then the 2 cards that I'm probably going to keep in a sleeve are these 2 bad boys. So yeah. Alright, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure. I hope you guys enjoyed the pulls today. Like I said, I would say the pulls are pretty good. We got a couple duplicates, but that's okay. Maybe I'll trade them up for something. But yeah, thank you so much for everything, folks. It's been an absolute pleasure. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.